Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. Now, if you didn't see my last video, we did trade in the Jeep Grand Cherokee for the 2021 Scat Pack Charger. So with the Scat Pack Charger, it's time to get modding a little bit, maybe just a little bit. So this mod is super simple and pretty much anyone can do it, and I'd say it's probably supposed to be the easiest mod. Yeah, we're gonna be doing that diffuser down there over here. I know. I bought the Charger yesterday. It's like literally the next morning, and I'm already doing the first mod on it because, you know, you gotta get these videos rolling, guys. You know, gotta get the mods going. That's why we got it, so we can start modifying it and doing videos and stuff. So this actually came in yesterday, the day that I got the car. So basically this whole piece is gonna come off. I'm sure you guys have seen this if you guys have seen a Scat Pack Charger or anything like that. You guys have seen these mods or this diffuser install before, but we just got one of these step up kind of size drill bits. Just to draw out the holes. We got a panel popper, 7mm socket, and then just another panel popper there. And that's all we're gonna need to do the install right there. And then obviously we have inside of here the actual diffuser piece, which I'll pull out after I get this one off. So I'm gonna set up the camera and walk you guys through it, hopefully, maybe a little bit. And then yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just hopefully it looks good. All right, guys, so I'm gonna act like it's not super early the next morning and I barely slept last night. Just, you know, I wanted to get this done before I have to do stuff during the day. I say super early, but you know, early for me and early for most normal people it's a little bit of a different story. But yeah, 10K merch in here looking good, guys. If you guys are looking for some merch, go ahead and hit that top link down in the description, shoplifestyle.com. Get yourself some new merch. 10K merch is live. It looks really good. It feels really good. So yeah, let's get to work on it. So I'm just going based off what I've seen before, and yep, we have one of these little guys right here, which is just like a standard little pin pop, kind of push pin, which can just be popped out with a panel popper tool like this. Then hopefully I can show you under here, but you got 4 just standard bolts right here. They're just gonna look like this. There's 7mm, I believe. Yep, there's 7mm. So you got 4 7mm going across, and then another one of those panels over on the right side. You can see we still got the resonators and the mufflers on this, and it just has the stock exhaust tips as of right now. That's gonna change. That's gonna change, hopefully. I say hopefully, but probably this week. I'm gonna be honest with you. That's a quick one for me to change. So let me go ahead and pop all these off, and then we'll rip this whole piece off and swap it out, hopefully. All right, now that that's off, there should just be clips along the top here, which, I mean, like, I feel like this install, I feel like everyone's seen this install before, so I'm not going super in depth, but yeah, there's supposed to be clips across the top. So you just kind of pull on it. Just then. Like that, and you see the clips. And then you just kind of do one of these guys. And yeah, there it is. There's the old one out. You see all the rocks that came out from under that? That's crazy. But yeah, then we have the new one in here, so we have to drill some holes, and then I think that's pretty much it. If I lay this out here, you can see it needs to have some holes drilled, but this is what it's looking like if I can get it out of this bubble wrap here. I bought this one off Amazon just for super cheap. Obviously, it came here fairly quick actually, but let's see what it's gonna look like. So it's gonna clip on here and look something like that. I don't know. We'll see how it looks in a second, but I got to drill these holes, so I'm just gonna lay this over top of this one, and then that'll line up to make sure that the holes are good, and then I'll just cut out the holes. So easy. right, so I actually was using the step bit and I made the holes a little bit bigger on these. So instead of that, to make it a little bit better and a little bit more careful, I'm gonna just go ahead and use this little bit, and then I'll step it up with that. I drilled out all the holes on all these. They're fairly good size. I think they're the right size anyway, and they should fit. So now let's go ahead and click this into place, and then we will put the little bolts back in, and it should be done and pretty easy to install, hopefully. So hopefully these clips work, because I heard bad things about them. So let's do that, and then yeah, basically first mod will be done, and it actually changes the look a lot. So let's click this baby in. Alright, so there it is installed, just clicked in. These clips actually worked. I heard bad things about them, but they actually clipped in, so I don't need to return it, I don't think. And now I just gotta put these little bolts back on and the little clips, and it's literally done. Super easy install, even out here in the sun, and I'm sweating like crazy wearing black, but it's fine, guys. But yeah, there's where it's looking. It's looking good. It's looking good. We're almost on our way to our first mod. So let me button it up, and then I'll finish out this video and show you guys what it actually kind of completely looks like. All right, guys, I am super sweaty from just laying in the sun and just getting straight soaked by the sun. But yeah, it's installed. Can you see it down there? Ooh, it looks good. I'll be honest with you guys, it looks really, really good. You guys can see down here what it looks like from the lower angle, and this is just a cheap Amazon one. This clip needs to be pressed in a little bit more and a little bit better, I think. But other than that, it goes in nicely, and it looks good from a distance, up close. Clips went in and the bolts went in pretty good, so it's not bad at all. This was a cheap one on Amazon. I want to say it was like $130, which is a fairly cheap price for these. So if you do want to get this one, it will be linked to the top of the description for you guys to check out and grab on Amazon. Like I said, it was only like 130 bucks, so might as well. You can always return it if it doesn't work on yours or whatever like that. So that's about it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button down below. It helped the YouTube algorithm, help this video out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. On that same note, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. Currently, that might be changing, but we'll see. Of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.